Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.248 trillion. We are down 5.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 39.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing a sea of red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, and that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen more downwards momentum in its price. So you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed with some information that you guys do not want to miss. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, right off the bat, guys, you guys can see Vechain is currently trading at 0.077 cents. We are down 7.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 3.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 34th spot. Market cap right now is $5.16 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $349.2 million. Zoom in and look at the bigger picture, guys. In just the last year alone, we're still up 370%. But yes, in the last 30 days, we have got hit quite hard compared to some other altcoins. So you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end if you're a Vechain holder. So let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price, what's going on, and where are we going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see Vechain is still in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And you guys can see we still have not managed to break below, go back down to this price point at the 0.07 cents mark, which is literally support level at this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that is about a move of 9% more to go for us to get to that price point. And there is a lot of fear. Don't get me wrong. There is a lot of fear across the board right now. A lot of people are saying that Bitcoin could see more possible downwards momentum even below $40,000. And again, a lot of FUD coming into the markets, and obviously we have seen the news that is coming out that inflation for next year is expected to be increased by 6%. Obviously, that is going to impact the overall markets right now, but we're seeing that happen, and I believe everything is getting impacted because of that news as we speak. But you guys cannot forget one thing: Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, and the traditional markets are not they're not like unaware of this. They literally buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies because they see it as an asset class that is definitely here to stay, and they can hedge against inflation. So I could see the cryptocurrency markets rebound early next year, and we could possibly see this a bull market turn around to be a larger bull market than we have ever seen because of these new circumstances that we are in right now over the globe. And we could definitely, we're definitely in for a very, very interesting year coming ahead to see what is going to happen with the traditional markets along with the cryptocurrency markets. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see Vechain has gotten hit pretty hard since its highs just a month ago around November 3rd. As you guys can see, we have pulled down 60% from that price point when we were back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And a lot of newcomers right now are losing hope right now, and it is very understandable because this is a very, very scary time. We obviously want prices to keep skyrocketing towards the upside in straight one line, but again, guys, that is not the reality. Even if we are having coins that are mooning left and right, we need to keep in mind, as soon as Bitcoin turns around, what's going to happen to the overall markets? They are going to react because the Bitcoin at the end of the day is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency markets. As you guys can see, Bitcoin did go below. We had a fake out towards the upside at this $52,000 mark. We have broken below it, and we saw this level of support at this 46,000 play out as a level of support for us. We have seen a bounce back towards the upside, but definitely we are not out of the woods just yet, guys, because we still need our confirmation, which is at the $59,000. Until then, guys, we're not out of the woods just yet. So we do still have a possibility to fall back down to this price point at this 43,000, or even go below it and create a double bottom at this $42,000 mark, because that is definitely not out of the woods just yet, because the overall, for the short and medium term, the markets are on the bearish end of the spectrum. Because at the end of the day, you guys need to know this is the leading indicator of the markets. And when Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside or sees volatility occur in its price, what's going to happen with the entire market? It's going to react. And right now, if we are looking at the BTC Dominance, guys, we are seeing the BTC Dominance rise up as well. And I always mention this to you guys, that Bitcoin dominance does tend to increase towards the upside when Bitcoin is being volatile. Because what happens is people tend to move their altcoins into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin tends to hold way stronger compared to altcoins. And that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now within the cryptocurrency markets, which causes altcoins to bleed even harder. But right now, we have not seen Vechain drop as much from where it was just yesterday. So overall, not bad what we're seeing right now, but that does not mean that we do not have more downwards momentum to occur for the price of Vechain. As I have mentioned, if Bitcoin is unable to hold this price point, this level of support at the $46,000 mark, guys, then this price point at 43,000, the next level of support, is definitely open for us to revisit, and that could definitely impact the price of Vechain, and we might even break below the 78.6 and go back down to 6.2 cents. That's definitely on the table as we speak right now. So now comes a question. Everyone wants to know, CryptoZX, what do you want Vechain to do? At the end of the day, guys, I have said this before, I want Vechain to break above this level of resistance at this 10 cents mark. I would love for Vechain to be above this level. I don't care if we hold above there for a week or two, perfectly fine with me, but we need to be above this price point. Right now, we are on the bearish end of the spectrum, but as I have mentioned before, if you have some money on the side that you had additional money, you have done your due diligence and research, and you wanted this money that you had, that you could afford to lose and invest into Vechain while Vechain was going absolutely insane, now might be the time, rather than buying it up at those price levels, now might be the time to dollar cost averaging and increase your holdings. Because as you guys may know, there's a very popular saying, be fearful while others are greedy, be greedy while others are fearful. The ones that are being greedy while there's major red across the board are the people that do tend to win this markets in the long run. As I had mentioned, I'll say it again, Vechain is one of the most undervalued crypto assets in the markets right now, considering what they are doing, what they are developing, the companies they're working with. All these factors speak for themselves. Obviously, the price has not seen the crazy price actions that everyone is anticipating, but aside from the price, guys, if we do not ignore what they're doing, what they're developing, how they're bringing mass adoption to this crypto space, guys, that literally should get people excited as to where Vechain is literally headed. And I do believe Vechain is literally just at the start. Once the markets do coil back towards the upside, you guys know markets do tend to move very fast, and I do see Vechain being one of them to follow the overall market momentum. So that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now with Vechain? Are you guys buying more? What's your game strategy, and where could you see Vechain go at the end of the next year? Do you guys think we are going to continue the bull cycle next year? But let me know your thoughts down below, because I would love to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. Honestly, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And your support does not go unnoticed. I love each and every one of you guys, and always remember, your support means the world to me. We're just getting started, guys. CryptoZX channel is going to hit 100,000 subscribers, and I know we're going to get there. Special shout out to my friend Michael for continuous support. I love you guys. I love you, my man. And just remember, your support does not go unnoticed. Everyone, go shout out Michael in the comment section below. Thanks again, man. I really, really appreciate your support. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.